In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set your appointments availability in QuickBooks Online. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can go to the left side of your screen and click the all apps here. And then you can go to customer hub section, this one, and go to appointments, and then it will open the appointment page. So as you can see, I don't have any appointments here. So in order to set the availability, we can go to settings in this button, in this drop down, click on it, and then click the set availability. And then you will be in this page, and as you can see, you can set up the time zone. You can set up the time zone, and you can choose the general weekly availability. Maybe you want to make it Friday is available, click on it, and also Monday, you can check and uncheck it. And then also you can add the specific availability if if your schedule adjust your schedule for certain dates. If you want, you can click add and you can set it up, and after that you can just click set save availability, and then it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.